out, gotta get out of this small town. You took my.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am currently at I don't know how to pronounce it, even though I did like a French class. I took French in high school for 2 years, and in uni for a year. I still don't know how to pronounce it, and it's a French word, so I'll just leave it here. Oh my god, guys, everything here is just beautiful. So, time for a room tour. So guys, when you walk into the room, right behind the door is this full body mirror that I used to take lots of photos. I'm filming these clips on my phone because I did not carry a camera. I was coming for work and I didn't think I would use my camera. You face the opposite direction of the door. You have this beautiful bed with a very modern headboard and some art pieces right above it. Guys, this bed was so comfortable. The linen was soft and white, and all those are things I live for. Actually lying on the bed right now as I record this voiceover, and I cannot tell you how happy and content I am. At the foot of the bed is this little like rug, and on either side of the bed as well. Then you have a bedside table that also had some storage. I like the fact that this room had a lot of storage options. And above the bedside table is this inbuilt bedside lamp that actually lights up so pretty. It's just that it was the mid of the day, so you could not see that. And the lamps are on either sides of the bed. Then you have a center lamp that also had some detail to it. And above the headboard were these art pieces. And right next to the window were these two sofas and a reading table. The room also came with a mosquito repellent, one that you actually just plug into a socket and use. This was my view, not the prettiest, but we moved. We also had a TV and a phone that I actually used to call reception several times. Right opposite the window is this reading table with a mirror and lots of storage again. So the table also came with some tissue, and because we're still in the middle of a global pandemic, we offer some sanitizer and also some things to make your tea, like sugar, tea, coffee, and creamers. They also give you a kettle in each of the rooms so that you can boil your own tea. And above the kettle were these shelves. The upper one had some art with it. And again, this is me in the mirror because why not? You also get a wardrobe with the room. And this wardrobe, guys, was my favorite thing ever. I like hotels that actually give you like shower robes because I just live for shower robes. I even like them better when they're white and soft. And this is what these guys did. So I put my bags at the bottom, and the room also came with some fluffy bedroom sandals. When you walk into the bathroom, you'll find a sink and a mirror above it. The bathroom also had ample lighting, and then it also came with some hand washing soap, which I think can be very crucial, especially for guests who go out of the hotel often. We also had like this little toothbrush and toothpaste holder. They actually provide toothpaste and toothbrush. I just think they hadn't done a refill. And then I also got a sanitary bag, a shower cap, and a vanity kit. I also had a little piece of soap given to me each day, even though there was like a body wash, a shampoo and conditioner, and a lotion in the bathroom. Guys, the bathroom also is like this normal detachable shower and a monsoon shower. Like, guys, this room was giving everything it was supposed to give. When you walk out of the room and go to the restaurant, they had different hand washing points, which I think is very important. The dining or restaurant was just giving classic, like eloquent vibes. This is what it looked like. When you walk out of the restaurant, you go to the Nile bar, which had lots of drinks, lots of wine, and right opposite the bar is the pool. That's pretty much it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Love and blessings. See you in the next one.